warm welcome to your Ask Me Anything series. I am Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth. And what we do is we help women take charge of their finances. There are many questions that we've received this week again. Thank you so much for sending them in. It is an absolute privilege contributing to each one of you. And well, today I'm answering one important question that we received from Karishma. And she's saying, how can I accelerate my pace to becoming financially free? Number one, I am glad that these new age women like you, Karishma, are actually thinking about financial freedom. What a privilege. These times are different. We are earning more than our mothers and grandmothers did, even more than our grandfathers did. And today we have this absolute privilege of being able to even think of financial freedom. So congratulations to bring in that way of thinking, because I know so many women who would not even bring clarity on their financial goals. The first big thing that you've already done by asking this question is you've clearly put out what are your goals. Hi Swapna, Kirti, welcome. So you guys have already put that in, and wow, now let's talk about the question how you could accelerate your pace. Just earning money will not accelerate that pace. So number one, what you need to get is just earning more money is not enough. So don't just think about increasing income, because constantly I see people working 9 to 5 and even 9 to 9 and more to earn that much money or more. I know the uncertainty exists, and these days the uncertainty exists far more than it has ever existed. But that doesn't mean that you just focus on earning money and earning more money. So one, you need to get that just earning money is not enough. Two, what you need to get that you need to be really looking at your current financial situation. So what are you doing with your finances right now? How are you managing them? And can something more, better be done? So more, better, different with your current finances, what could that be? Example, could you be investing better? Which means that can you educate yourself and invest in instruments which could actually generate better returns, but at the same time you understand the risks involved and you are taking an educated step. So that's something different you could do. Another thing you could do differently could be is building a financial system in your life. So how much money is coming? Where is it going? What needs to really happen? Creating a spending plan, building your net worth sheet, really looking at how much diversification there is. And if that diversification in your investments is enough, do you have a written financial plan to reach this goal of financial freedom? And how much money do you really need to retire? So how much money do you really need to be financially free? So making these calculations, putting a proper system in place, making a plan, and then looking at when you implement that plan, what's happening real time. Because your actions will define how the plan needs to alter. So you need to look at, okay, am I altering my plan? What's happening in reality? Am I being realistic at all times? Being realistic doesn't mean that you play small and you give up on your dreams. No, being realistic doesn't mean that. Being realistic means, okay, I've created a plan, and now how am I doing with that plan, and what are the course of actions I need to take to alter my direction. So that is another thing around financial planning, building a system, noting down how much money is coming into your life, how much money is going out, how well diversified are you, how well diversified you need to be. So these are some of the starting steps, and of course bringing clarity on your goals and the amount that you need to reach those goals. So So these are some starting points that you need to work on to actually build that financial freedom. And how do you accelerate it? By actually accelerating the work on your system. Most people don't even know that there is a financial system that they need. So that's absolutely not a valid way of thinking. Any person that you know who's created wealth followed some system that maybe they built on their own, they took it from their mentors, or they created it. So that's how you need to be seeing it. Warm welcome to all of you people who are listening in and learning. Well, this is it for now. Keep sending in those questions. I am happy to answer them one by one each Friday and helping each one of you learn. Also, we do a lot of lives on Facebook. So join in, participate. The more you participate, the more you will gain. The more you engage, the more you will gain. So make sure you participate and learn and grow in your finances. And for now, this is around accelerating your growth to financial freedom. Take charge, stay safe, bye-bye.